Find the sum of the first 51 terms of AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18. So question number 8. Find the sum of the first 51 terms of the AP whose second and third terms are going to be 14 and 18. So given second term is 14, third term is 18. So second term how we can give a plus d is 14, third term a plus 2d is 18. So whenever they will give the terms, two terms, definitely we can find a and d values from those. So again, so just try to solve these two. Mark it as equation number 1, mark it as equation number 2, which is big, this is big, so take this first. A plus 2d is equal to 18, a plus d is equal to 14. That depends, we can take this as first and this as next also. Minus 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 2d minus d 18 minus 14, that means d is equal to 4. So put 4 here. A plus d is equal to 14, a plus 4 is equal to 14, a is equal to 14 minus 4, the value of a will be 10. We got a value and also we got d value. So here what we have to find now? So a we got, d we got, sum of the first 51 terms, sum of Sn is equal to S51. So what is the principle for Sn? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S51 is equal to 51 by 2 into what is the value of a here? 10 plus n minus 1 means what? 51 minus 1 is 50. Common difference is what? 4. Now 51 by 2 into 2 will be common from both. So 10 plus 52 is 100. 2 is out from here. So 2 is left, 52 is. So 2 will be cancelled. 51 into 110. So how can I write this one? 51 into 110 means simply 50 into 110 and again 51 into 1 into 110, 510. It will become 0, 1. I'm sorry, this is 51 only. I expect so. Otherwise, do the multiples. Nothing here. What I am doing is split into 110 into this can be written as 110 into 50 plus 1. Like this I have written 110 into 50 plus it. So what it will become? 5500. Next one is going to be 110. Actually, it is 110 is going to be 0, 5, 6, and it is going to be what? 5, 5, 6, 110. It is 5610. 5610 is the required answer. Next question number 9. So find the sum of the first 7 terms of the AP. If the sum of the first 7 terms of the AP is 49, that is S7 is 49, they have given. We should not find, they have given that. And S17, the sum of the first 17 terms of the AP is 289. So S17 is 289, they have given. So now what we have to find the sum of the n terms of the AP. So for that we need to get the value of a from this, a and d from this. So then you can get Sn value. Or so since in that a going to be, d going to be, a n going to be. Otherwise a, d and n is going to be. The n we have to get in terms of n only, since they asked the Sn value. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S7, that is 49, is equal to 7 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 means what? 7 minus 1, 6 into d. So 49 is equal to 7 into 7 by 2 into 2. I am taking common here. A plus 3d you will get. 2 is out from both. 2 will be cancelled. 49 by 7 is equal to a plus 3d. Multiply term comes and divides. 7 1 the 7 7 the. A plus 3d is equal to 7. Mark it as equation number 1. Now S17. What is S17? In the same way. So 17 by 2 is equal to 2a plus 17 minus 1 is 16 into d. So S17 is 289 is equal to 17 by 2 into 2. I am taking common, a plus 8d. 2 will be cancelled. So now it will become 17 1 the 17 17 the perfect square only. So a plus 8d is equal to 17. Mark it as equation number 2. Solve these two. So a plus 8d is equal to 17. A plus 3d is equal to 7. Minus minus minus. So 8d minus 3d is what? 5d is equal to 10. So 17 minus 7 is 10. D is equal to 10 by 5, 2. So put in either equation number 1 or 2. A plus 3d is equal to 7. So a plus 3 into 2 is equal to 7. A plus 6 is equal to 7. A is equal to 7 minus 6, that is 1. So we got A as 1 and the D as 2. So what is the value? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Don't be confused with this. Here they did not mention the value of n. Our expression or our output also going to be in terms of n. We don't know what is the value of n here. N by 2 as it is 2a plus n minus 1 as it is. Sorry, a value I will put here. A is 1. N minus 1 into common difference is 2. So n by 2 into 2 1 are 2. 2 into n 2n minus 1 into 2 2. Minus 2 plus 2 will be cancelled. N by 2 into 2n. 2 2 will be cancelled. N into n is n square. Sum of the m terms of the AP will be n square. So this is how we are going to get. So don't be confused here why you are getting n square. Since we want n. For example, if it is S10, it will become indirectly 10 square. Directly we can tell. So this is about the question number 9.